Hey everyone, welcome back. Here's how to fix the N26 app if it's not working on your phone. First, make sure your Wi-Fi and mobile data is working properly. Switch between networks to see if the app responds. Then, restart your device to refresh the system and remove the temporary glitches. Next, head over to your app store. Then search for the N26 mobile app. Now, update your app if you already haven't. Updating your app ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes, so always update it. Then, go to settings and go to apps and N26 storage clear cache. This removes temporary files that may cause issues in Android only. Then, if it still does not work, long press on the N26 app icon, remove app, then delete the app. After deleting it, go to the App Store, reinstall it again, then log in after reinstalling it. Ensure your phone's operating system is also up to date. Like and subscribe for more banking fixes.